Juncture. What do you understand by the term juncture? Juncture in linguistics is a manner of moving between two successive syllables in speech. An important type of juncture is the suprasegmental phonemic cue, by means of which a listener can distinguish between two identical sounds that have different meanings. Typology. So, plus juncture, several kinds. Plus juncture, also known as open juncture, subdivided into internal open and external open juncture, denoted, transcribed with a plus sign, and that is the reason why it is known as plus juncture. Closed juncture, also known as normal transition, transition between segments within a word, inside a word, right? Terminal juncture, also known as falling clause terminal, terminal contour. This is the juncture at the end of a clause with falling pitch before silence. Other less common typologies exist, such as division into plus single bar, which is this, double bar, which is one with double bars, double cross, which is one like a hashtag. These correspond to syllabification and differences in intonation, single bar being a level pitch before the break, double bar being an upturn in the pitch before the break, double cross being a downturn in the pitch before the break. Examples of English. So we're looking at some examples now. We're going to look at some of the examples. A syllable break at the plus juncture sometimes distinguishes other homophonic phrases. A name can be transcribed as this transcription, or an aim can also be described with the same transcription, but there's a difference. The difference is on the position where the speaker would lay the stress. A name, they do sound alike, but then that is how the listener realizes the difference. That stuff and that stuff. Four candles and four candles. The word boundary preceded or followed by a syllable. The word boundary preceded by or followed by a syllable break is called an external open juncture. If there's no break on either side, they run together. The boundary is called an internal open juncture. The distinction between internal and closed junctures is the difference between nitrate with the open juncture. So here you have the word, you have it down here after the first word. The distinction between nitrate, between ta and ra, and nitrate as in a full word, a chemical nitrate, with it being marked at around after the first syllable, ni and trate, and in the word nitrate as in the rate of the night, the transcription goes as follows: night and then break and then rate. So within the word is the one that can be termed as closed juncture, and outside the word, as in nitrate, the rate of the night, can be classified as an open juncture. In some varieties of English, only the latter involves an affricate. So the latter, as in the close juncture, involves an affricate. And that's all that was for juncture.